In this video, I want to talk about this light switch guard. So what I'm doing is I'm installing a floodlight camera, and I basically want to make sure that the floodlight stays on all the time because the camera needs constant power. But the thing is, it's on a switch. So I don't want somebody to come out here, especially with all these switches, and we're just getting used to living in this house. I don't want them to come out here and accidentally shut it off, and then my camera doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to use this light switch guard to put over here so that doesn't happen, and it's going to be real easy. Well, all I'm going to do is take out these screws. I know that this is a white cover and this is beige, but I am eventually switching all of my outlet covers to white, so that's why I got white. Take these out, and then this is how it works. It's just a little clip right here. And if you want, it does come with longer white screws. I'm gonna keep those handy, but I'm actually just gonna put these old screws back in, because those are long enough. So now, if you wanted to turn this on or off, say you wanna keep it on, just lock it, or if you wanna keep it off, lock it like that. Obviously somebody can open that and do that, but if you wanna, prevent an accident, I thought that was pretty cool. Hope this helps.